All right, so here's the expectation for your binder check. To get to your OneDrive, you can go to the Eagle Mountain Saginaw ISD page, then go to Students, and then you're going to want to go to Office 365 Login. Once you get there, I'm already logged in. Well, I'm already logged in as my child. I've hijacked her account. And this is like your dashboard, right? So all of your apps are off to the side. This is the home page. If you wanted to get to PowerPoint, you could get to PowerPoint, that right there. If you wanted to get to Word, it's right there. If you want to get to your email, it's right there. But we want to go to our OneDrive. So your eBinder is in your OneDrive. Okay, here's the eBinder. So for the assignment, you're going to want to screenshot you going into your eBinder, right? And so I want you to click on your eBinder, and then I want you to show me a class and that you have something in there. So she has nothing in her math file. You can either use the back button or you can come over here and just go back to your eBinder, right? And she's not in Avid, so this isn't the best example, but you get the idea, okay? You are gonna wanna go, right, to one of your classes and say, okay, here's a focus note. And I want to see the focus note that you have taken in your folder, okay? You need to show me at least one focus note in your Avid folder, and you need to show me at least one focus note in any other subject. And then also, when I'm in my files, there should be nothing else except for this eBinder, just like you see here. There should be literally nothing else except for your eBinder. Everything else, if you want to throw that into a folder called old stuff, that would be okay. You could have one folder there that says old stuff, but I don't want to see a bunch of files. If this does not make sense, please make sure you ask, and I can't wait to see your beautiful eBinders.